Okay, so in this video I just thought I'd talk a little bit about using the guide as the basis for addressing philosophy as a subject, because somebody got in touch with me about how you might do that. So I'm just going to take just a few moments to talk about that. So suppose you were studying for the philosophy A-level. One of the things you might be thinking about is the essay questions on there. And one of the things I'd start off by thinking about is knowing precisely what the instruction words want me to do. So if you look carefully at the higher credit questions, you will usually see words like discuss or evaluate presented in there. And I'd really recommend you look over the sections that deal with that and then think about different aspects of how you address that question. So think about things like planning out model answers, keywords that you know you want to include, possibly key philosopher names that you know you want to show that you know, and then think about developing some kind of discussion where you present 2 points of view around that. Think maybe about subtle differences and how subtleties might make you address different paragraphs around different understandings of things. So you might want to talk about functionalism, and you might want to talk about how different philosophers see that in different ways. Or maybe you want to talk about different types of atheism and how that might shape your essay questions. Maybe you might want to talk about the difference between materialism and other kinds of atheist positions. So think about the content and key words, and then use that to shape model answers and use the recommended examples as the basis from which to develop your answers.